enguuto next financial year tutware.
Abany'eishengyero abo kwetombwitira aba inginiya b'enguuto byizireho bwa nyuma y'abany'eishengyero kuzo mu nguuto kurambura bebembirwe rukurre enguuto za Sheema district Dickson Collins kateshumbwa batyo nikwe kugwerwa akagwe bwa nyuma yo kushikayo na motoka zabe zamani zikaterra.
Niyo cyo kurebera nimbatera na mtutu. There is no hiding. If you did so the work, you either have to go and correct it, or we send investigators. Because customer umurchi twakuhereza time. Now your political leaders are saying you did the work. Every witness who has passed there, now you are telling us and saying I did the work. What work did you do?
Ekisingire kubihisho cya hamutwe nubwa nyuma yo kushanga ngo bakoze isesente ziri kushika miliyoni 180 no babire batakazihingwize kandi mu bitabo bashangira miliyoni 250.
Ba parlamenta na nabanda abantu kuronshinga kutandika uruguto atariho work plan. How did it happen?
Kandi if you launch it at 180, hati tuzakwa approving work plan ya 250. Which one is which?
That's 180 we give suppliers.
So how much have you already spent? So this is a mistake. It's not too.
What?
Our budget, that in budget.
Budget is what?
Budget is 250, but so far is 180, but in surprise.
You have already spent 180 without an approved work plan.
We give suppliers. Of course, you have spent it. Yes.
Did you get a work plan approved for you to spend 180 million?
Yes, I had the district council work plan, which we harmonized.
Who approved the roads work plan? Is it the council or the DRS?
Shangirwe ngo ba inginiya bakarabe nyuma batyo bayerabizaho action plan yabo aha abany'eishengyero batari.
Wetu mahengu you connived to spend money before we make a work plan. Did you connive? Did he, how?
By the way,
I think Chairman is strong words.
No.
Is this the only project that has been started?
Yes.
This is the only one?
Yes.
Ba inginiya bahirwa kuraburwa kwa hamuheru ubutagarika kurunda maramo mu nguuto. Oruguto rwo kurigitendero kuzangoma mpaka Rwampara. Oruba inginiya bagize ngo ruhwira abany'eishengyero babaragire ko rugaruka mu rwona ngo habo ko babakoze rebusha.
Are you satisfied that we have got value for money? Is the road wide enough? Is the maram enough?
Hati biliyoni emwe tukozere enguuto za south ezimwe twakora neza north ati 600 noremo takora kilometers 8
Gasha kwa mayi kwatuachire.